Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Studio. My name is Sarah. I'm 26 years old, and I'm so happy you're learning English with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ethan. I'm 29, and we're really excited to have you here.
On this channel, we help you speak real, simple, everyday English with easy conversations.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to the English Studio. It really helps our channel grow.
Today's lesson is very important and very useful.
Yes, today we're learning how to talk about habits in English.
Habits are things we do every day, every week, or very often in our life.
Like brushing your teeth, drinking coffee, checking your phone, or watching TV.
Ethan, today is a beautiful morning here in San Diego, California, right?
It really is. The sun is shining and the weather is perfect.
How did you come to the studio today?
I walked here from my apartment. I live near Balboa Park, and the walk is very relaxing.
That sounds lovely. I came from my home in downtown San Diego and I took the bus.
Do you have any habits when you walk?
Yes, I usually listen to pop music when I walk. It makes me feel happy.
Nice. I sometimes listen to the news in the morning.
That sounds very serious for early morning.
Haha, maybe. But I like to know what is happening in the world.
So Ethan, let's explain this clearly for our learners. What is a habit?
A habit is something you do again and again, usually without thinking.
For example, I always brush my teeth in the morning. I don't think, I just do it.
Exactly. My habit is I always drink a glass of water after I wake up.
That's a very healthy habit. What is the first thing you do in the morning, Ethan?
First, I open my eyes.
Very funny. And after that?
After that, I usually check my phone.
Oh, I do that too. But doctors say this is a bad habit.
Yes, phone light is not good for your eyes in the morning.
One good habit I have is I always make my bed.
That's very organized. I sometimes make my bed, but not every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast, and I always drink coffee.
Always?
Yes, I never skip coffee.
I usually eat yogurt and fruit, and I always drink green tea. How do you go to work?
I usually take the subway here in San Diego, but on Fridays I drive my car to buy groceries.
That's a weekly habit.
At work, I always make a to-do list.
Very professional. I sometimes make a list, but I often forget it.
Another bad habit, Sarah.
Haha, yes. But I'm always on time for meetings.
I'm often late.
After work, I usually rest for 10 minutes. Then I go to the gym.
Wow, I never go to the gym.
What do you do?
My exercise is walking to the kitchen.
That is not real exercise. I usually cook dinner at home.
I often order food online.
That's an expensive habit.
Yes, but convenient.
After dinner, I always wash the dishes.
I sometimes leave them for the morning.
Before I sleep, I always read a book. It helps me relax. It also helps me sleep faster.
That's a very good habit, Sarah. I read too, but I sometimes use my phone in bed.
Oh no, that is a bad habit again.
Yes, I know, but the phone is very tempting.
Using your phone before sleeping is bad for your eyes and bad for your brain too.
You're right. And when I use my phone, I sleep late.
Let's make a promise together.
Okay, I'm ready. No phones in bed.
Deal.
Deal. Tonight, no phone. Only sleep.
Good luck, Ethan.
On Saturday, I usually wake up at 11 a.m.
Wow, that's very late.
Yes, but I work hard all week. Saturday is my rest day.
I wake up at 8 a.m., even on weekends.
On weekends too? You are very disciplined.
It's just my habit now.
On Saturday afternoon, I usually watch movies or meet my friends at a cafe.
That sounds fun. I usually go shopping or clean my house on Saturday.
Sunday is my cleaning day.
Every Sunday?
Yes. I always clean my room, wash my clothes, and organize my desk.
That's a great habit. I clean only when my house is very dirty.
That is a last-minute cleaning habit.
Yes, not a good one. Now let's talk about bad habits. Everyone has bad habits, even English teachers.
Yes, sadly, that's true.
What is your worst bad habit?
I bite my nails when I'm stressed. I do it when I'm nervous.
Many people do that. It's a very common bad habit.
What about you, Sarah?
I buy coffee every day instead of making it at home.
Very expensive habit.
Yes, my wallet is not happy.
Other common bad habits are staying up too late, eating too much junk food, watching too much TV, using the phone too much.
If you have bad habits, don't worry. You are not alone. So Ethan, how can we make new good habits?
The best way is to start small.
Yes, small habits are easy to follow.
For example, instead of running for 1 hour, just walk for 5 minutes.
Instead of reading 10 pages, just read 1 page.
Instead of drinking 5 bottles of water, just drink 1 glass.
For example, drink 1 glass of water. Read 1 page. Eat 1 fruit.
If you do small things every day, they become big habits.
Small steps make big changes.
Consistency is more important than speed.
Do you still have any habits from your childhood?
Yes, I always wear my left shoe first.
That's funny. Do you feel strange if you don't do it?
Yes, it feels very wrong.
That's a real habit. I always read the last page of a book first.
Before the first page?
Yes, I like to know the ending first.
That would make me crazy.
Habits are very powerful. They stay with us for many years. Now let's slowly review important words. Please listen and repeat after us. Habit, something you do again and again. Example, my habit is drinking tea in the morning. Always, 100% of the time. Example, I always brush my teeth. Never, 0%, not even once. Example, I never skip breakfast. Usually, most of the time. Example, I usually walk to work. Often, many times. Example, I often watch movies. Sometimes, not always. Example, I sometimes eat fast food. Routine, your habits in order. Example, my morning routine is wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast. Healthy habit, good for your body. Example, exercising is a healthy habit. Unhealthy habit, bad for your body. Example, smoking is an unhealthy habit.
These words are very important for daily English. Now it's your turn. Question of the day. What is one good habit you have and one bad habit you want to change?
You can write like this. My good habit is I always study English. My bad habit is I sometimes stay up late.
Your answers don't need to be perfect.
Just try your best. Practice is the best habit.
Before we go, we want to remind you of something very important.
Learning English is not fast. Learning English is not magic. Learning English is a daily habit.
Some days you will feel excited. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel confused.
And all of those days are normal.
Progress is not about being perfect.
Progress is about not giving up.
Even if you learn just one new word today, that is still a victory.
Even if you practice for only 5 minutes, that is still success.
Small effort every day becomes big success one day.
You don't need to be the best. You just need to be a little better than yesterday.
We are really proud of you for learning English.
And we are very happy to be part of your journey.
If this lesson helped you, please give this video a like.
And if you are new here, welcome to the English Studio family.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new lesson.
We upload new English conversation practice every single week.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself.
Your English can improve. Your confidence can grow. Your future can change. Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Until then, keep building good habits.
Bye-bye from the English studio. See you very soon.